can you talk to us about why there can be delays in getting a diagnosis for a disability claim?
Well, a disability claim constitutes somebody who's unable to work due to a medical condition that they're experiencing. And a medical condition may not be, as you mentioned, diagnosed at the time, but if a person's experiencing symptoms that are preventing them from working and their doctor is supportive of the fact that they shouldn't be working, then that would give rise to them wanting to make a claim for long-term disability benefits. The challenge is, a doctor filling out a form, they may say, okay, this person is suffering from difficulty sleeping, depression type symptoms, inability to concentrate, those types of things, but they may not have yet a formal diagnosis. And I would say that doesn't mean that they can't make an application, because oftentimes it takes a while to get that type of diagnosis. Oftentimes, clients of ours are seeing their family doctor because they have these types of symptoms, but it takes a while to get in to see the specialist who might be the one to further diagnose or recommend further treatment. So that's a good example in terms of mental health claims and that challenge of getting a formal diagnosis these days. And even prior to COVID pandemic, it's the waiting time to get into psychiatrists is months in Ontario, for example. And I think those types of referrals are even further delayed currently. So that can be a real challenge in terms of getting a diagnosis. Doesn't mean that what the client is experiencing is not real or legitimate or preventing them from working.